Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to cancel an order on Binance P2P. Firstly, open your active P2P order and tap Cancel the order. Choose the reason for canceling, like buyer or seller related, then tap Confirm Cancellation. Now, if you selected a seller-related reason, the seller must tap Accept within 10 minutes. If they don't respond, the system will automatically confirm the cancellation. But if you've already transferred the money to the seller, do not cancel the order. Instead, tap I have paid and contact the seller. If needed, open a dispute and canceling after payment can cause you to lose funds. So in order to cancel due to timeout, the buyer's completion rate may be affected, so too many cancellations can impact your P2P trading reputation. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.